Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the transmission pulley and nut in a GE washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a socket wrench with 3/8 and 9/16 heads with an extension. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new transmission pulley and nut. The transmission pulley is located under the washer inside the cover box. It's mounted on the transmission shaft and connects the drive motor with the transmission via the drive belt. If the washer is not agitating and spinning or making clunking noise during agitation, check the transmission pulley and nut and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to put the washer on its back. I'm going to use the box as a support and tilt it back. Keep in mind it's heavy, so be careful. We're going to start that from the removing of this cover. It has 3/8 bolts that we're going to take out using the socket wrench. To remove the belt, we need to pull it on the bottom here and turn the transmission pulley counterclockwise until the belt comes off. Next, I'm going to remove this nut. I'm using a 9/16 socket wrench with a long head. Put it on, and then I'm going to knock down to break loose the nut. All right, now I'm going to shake the transmission pulley side to side and slide it over the shaft. This is the old transmission pulley and nut next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to install the new transmission pulley. The gears are going to face the gears here. They're going to interact, and I'm going to slide the pulley onto the splines on the shaft. Press it on. All right, the rest is going to be done by the tightening the nut into the place. So start it manually. And we're going to use this 9/16 inch socket wrench. And I'm going to knock down on the handle, so I'm going to tighten it. And now we're going to install the belt onto this motor pulley first. I'm going to try it from the bottom. I'm going to turn the belt and the transmission pulley. There's one important detail while you're doing that. Make sure your fingers are not cut under the belt. And now I'm going to install the cover back on. Use this 3/8 bolts, and I'm going to install them with the 3/8 socket wrench. I'm not going to tighten yet. First, I'm going to put another one. I can tighten that one, and I can tighten this one too. And I'm going to install the third one at the bottom. And now we can put the washer upright. Careful, it's heavy. And we're going to remove the box here. Turn on the water. plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.